up, guys? You gotta check us out. This is Cherokee Lake overlook. Beautiful. Here's me a tree to cross to finally get back over to the other side. We'll try to start again. There he is. Oh gosh.
This side's looking a lot more promising.
Yep.
I know it's got to get deep somewhere though.
Beautiful little creek chub.
Another creek chub.
Yep.
What are you getting on that crawl?
Crawdad. The creek crawler from Creek Live Lure Company.
Crap, I gotta remember.
Oh.
I keep forgetting your video. I used to see you live streaming.
Yeah.
I'm ruining video.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, that was something different. I think. Looked like a rock bass or something, didn't it? Huh. Yeah, there's nothing at it, nothing biting yet. Shiner, striped shiner, yep. Yeah. Look at that beautiful little striped shiner. 2 species. We weren't really expecting them. We didn't know what to expect when we came here because not really fished this creek. So TriStar over there, he's caught some bluegill in here before, and they supposedly stock trout in here once in a while. Beautiful little spot right here though. It's like a perfect little creek spot. Might be able to cross right here. Got one. It's a creek chub. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This was a new creek that we never fished before. We didn't really know what to expect. It's still pretty cold out, so the bite's still kind of slow. But we call it creek chub and creek and striped shiner. So they stock this creek with trout, and there's various panfish species in it too. So we're gonna hit it again later this year when it warms up more and try to do a good species smash with it. See how many species we can catch. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe as always. Great. It helps tremendously. I greatly appreciate every view, every comment, every like, every subscribe. We're gonna start working on our YouTube a lot more this year. This is full time for me now, so I gotta give it my all. Um, I'm not good at editing and stuff, so they'll probably be pretty basic videos, but we'll try our best. We'll get out there, we'll fish as many creeks as we possibly can, we'll catch as many species as we can, and you guys can live vicariously through me if you're not able to get out and fish creeks yourself. Um, Creek fishing just gives you it's just a whole different experience from any other type of fishing, man. You can go out there and it be just complete peace. You don't hear anything, you don't hear anybody, you don't see anybody, and you can really uh, get a connection that you can't get anywhere else, and it can change your life. And I want to spread that same connection and give everybody else the opportunity to have a chance to feel that connection. Uh, so hopefully we'll see you guys again. Thank you so much.